Today we are looking at factorization. There are three ways of factorizing. Here is our example. Number one, we factorize by taking out the common term. Now, what is the common term? The common term is the factor that appears on both parts. And we can take out the common term. We start with the numbers, take out 2, we are left with x squared plus 4 plus 2x. Then take out x, we are left with x plus 2. There is no other common term to take out. Therefore, our first factor is 2x, and in the bracket, our second factor is x plus 2. On our second example, we split the part, this part alone and that part alone. Now from this part, that is xa plus xb, we take the common factor, that is x, we are left with x plus b. Hence, the common factor as one term is a, another one is b. And from the other side, ya plus yb, we take out the common factor y, we are left with a plus b. So y is out, a plus b is inside. Now, the common term inside will have one same terms, and the values which are outside will give us one bracket. Those which are inside, they will give us another bracket. That is an example of taking out the common term. Now let's look at the second example. Difference of two squares. Difference of two squares. This is our first square and this is our second square. By the fact we have a minus sign in the middle, it gives us the difference of the first square and the second square. Now, this one directly gives us two brackets, one with plus, one with minus. We shall take the square root of this one, that is a, the square root of b square, that is b. Hence, a plus b, a minus b. In the same process, we shall take the square root of x square, that is x, square root of 4, that is 2. Hence, x plus 2, x minus 2. We shall take the square root of 1 over 9, that is 1 over 3. Square root of y power 4, that will be y square. Hence, 1 over 3 plus y square, 1 over 3 minus y square. Now, we have factorized using difference of two squares. Now, the most important is the third example. Splitting the middle term. We have a quadratic expression. An expression is that without equal sign. If I put equal to something, this is now an equation. Now, we are going to factorize an expression. Remember, it comes from ax squared plus bx plus c. This means our value of a here is 2, our value of b is minus 8, and our value of c is minus 10. First of all, we need to look for two factors which will replace the middle value, that's the b value. That will be splitting our middle term. In order for us to get that value, we shall have to look for the sum, the product, in order to get our factors. Now, as we have seen, our sum is represented by the b value. Our product is represented as a times the c value. What is our b value? Minus 8. What is our a times c? We get minus 20. Now, the two factors are the two numbers which will multiply to give us 20. And the same time, when you add them, they give you -1. Now, what are the factors of 20? 1 times 20, 2 times 10, and I can stop here, because if I have -2 and times 10, I get 20, or if I have 20 times 10, I get minus 20. Now, if I add 2 and 10, I get 8. If I add 2 and minus 10, I get minus 8. Meaning my two factors are 2 and minus 10. Now, I will take these two factors, x and minus 10x. These two factors will replace minus 8x on the question. So I will get 2x squared plus 2x minus 10x minus 10. The first one and the last one will remain as above. Then we now split the middle. 2x squared plus 2x, take out the common, 2x squared plus x, take out x, x plus 1, means I have 2x bracket, x plus 1, and this side minus 10x minus 10. Common is minus 10, I have x minus plus 1, meaning I have minus 10 bracket x plus 1. Now you will notice inside the bracket is the same. So what is outside will form one bracket, and what is inside will form one bracket. By now we have factorized, but if you look at the first bracket, you realize that it can still be factorized again by taking the common out. And if you look, our common is 2, inside is left x minus 5. Hence, our final answer is this one. Thank you for watching. This is a small example about factorizing. If you like, or if you have enjoyed, you can like my YouTube channel. My name is Mr. Ishengoma. Thank you for watching.